Hello and welcome back to my channel, Learn Igbo language with Igbo. In this channel, you learn how to speak Igbo language fast. Iburu nwati Igbo soba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. I love you and I love Igbo language. If today is the first time you're encountering this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's learn Igbo language together. I love you. You are welcome. No. And today I'm going to teach you phrases in Igbo language, simple sentences that you can make and you communicate well in Igbo. When you make call, you say, how are you? How are you means kedu kimere. How are you means kedu kimere. Then the person may respond, I am fine. I am fine means adimma. I am fine means adimma. Then when you want to say, I am eating in Igbo language, anam eri nri. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Anam eri nri. Or I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Anam eje akwụkwọ. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Anam aga n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. I'm going to school. Anam aga n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. I'm going to church. I'm going to church. Ana m aga n'ụlọ ụka. Ana m aga n'ụlọ ụka. I hope you're following me. Please, if you're confused or you don't understand, draw me in the comment section. I will attend to you. Okay? I'm sweeping the house. I'm sweeping the house. Ana m azụ ụlọ. These are simple sentences you make in your house and you see yourself speaking Igbo when you follow me in this channel. Anam azụ ụlọ. Anam azụ ụlọ. I'm sweeping the house. I'm sweeping the house. Or I am mopping the house means anam eficha ụlọ. Anam eficha ụlọ. I am mopping the house. You know, these are simple things you say, and when you learn it, you speak Igbo language and it flows. So please keep following me in this channel, okay? Then you can say, my mother went to the market. My mother went to the market, or my mother went to the stores, means nnem jere ịzụta ihe n'ahịa. Nnem jere ịzụta ihe n'ahịa. Yes. My mother went to the market. Nnem jere ịzụta ihe n'ahịa. Anam eri nri. Anam eri nri means I am eating. I am eating means anam eri nri. Anam eri nri. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Okay? Then my siblings are playing. My siblings are playing. Ụmụnne m na-egwuri egwu. Ụmụnne m na-egwuri egwu. My siblings are playing. Ụmụnne m na-egwuri egwu. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Mmiri is water. Mmiri is water. I hope you're following me. Do not forget to like, share to your family who wants to learn Igbo language with us. Okay? I want to take my bet. I want to take my bet. Achọrọ m ịsa arụ. Achọrọ m ịsa arụ. I want to take my bet. Achọrọ m ịsa arụ. Yes. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. Nne m na-esi nri n'ebe a na-esi nri. Nne m na-esi nri. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. I am washing the plates. Ana m asa efere. I am washing the plates. Ana m asa efere. Give me that knife. Give me that knife means nyem mma. Nyem mma. means give me that knife. Yes, these are the common phrases. And or maybe probably somebody comes into your house and you want to welcome the person. The first thing you say is welcome. No. Welcome. No. I've been saying it in my videos a lot. So welcome. No. I know you know that one. You'll be following me in this channel. You will know. So welcoming somebody in your house, welcome. No. Then you can begin to converse with the person. How is your family? The person that visited you say, how is your family? Then meaning, kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? Family bụ ezinụlọ. Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? Or you can say, how are your children? Kedu maka ụmụaka gị? How are your children? Kedu maka ụmụaka gị? I hope you're following. Yes. Then you can say, how is work? How is work? Kedu maka ọlụ? Kedu maka ọlụ gị? Kedu maka ọlụ gị? You know, you begin to express yourself in Igbo language in your house. It is very, very sweet. So let me brief it or hang it on here for the next time. We'll continue from here. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. It encourages us to do what we do. And turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever you upload a new video, so that we'll keep learning Igbo language. Thank you for watching. Kemesia, bye. Kemesia, bye.